Smile! Smile! Yeah!
I'm actually taking a little video of him laughing at the dog.
Come here, Louie. Come here. Up, Louie. Come on, say hi, Gavin. Hi, Gavin. Oh, yeah. What a spastic. Louie's making faces for you. You say Louie? 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 Yeah, that's Louie. He's my nutty dog. We're going to get a new one today named Rocket. Yeah, he's a little rocket dog.
What do you think, Gavin? What do you think? Should we get more dogs? You gotta tell Mommy. We need more dogs.
I got a coupon for $20 off of Rocket.
That's bizarre.
They sent it to me from the Humane Society. My crazy
That's a loud dog.
My crazy children. He was like, whoa, I got me excited. Gavin, see here, Louie. Louie, come see me. Hi. Hi, Louie. He's behind you. Whoa.
Louie, get off my computer.
He's a retard.
Not nice to say retard.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're not retarded. You're challenged.
You're talking to the dog, not my son, right?
Of course. You like the doggies? Huh? Where's Louie? Louie, come here. Louie, come on. Say hi, Gavin. So let's go to Petco. Get some bonzers. Huh? I love bonzers. Louie loves bonzers.